pretend you didn't rock a fanny pack in the 90s. Well, guess what? They are back. We've got Julia Grieve here from Pre-Love to show you how you can make your own. So you're going to make your own this time around.
You know, it really is. They are the biggest trend, one of the biggest trends this season on the runways. You've seen it, you know, Givenchy, Kate Spade had a bunch. And it's been, you know, happening for a little bit. You've seen the bloggers have been getting it, New Yorkers have been wearing it. But this season, it's back. It honestly, I laugh and I would say, it's a difference between fashion over function.
Right.
And, you know, function is one and fashion's gone. All right.
Fine, we'll
just do this. We'll do it.
And you know what? We are doing it in very stylish ways. And that's what we're going to show you, starting with this first mannequin. So this is sort of the old school way.
Exactly. This is what I call the basic. This is definitely, I'm sure everyone still has one. If you don't, you can borrow it from my mother because she never stopped rocking it. But you know, the basic. It's either in a nylon or in a leather. And the only sort of new trend to it would be how you wear it. Right. It is not worn straight in the center. No, 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 no. That's not happening anymore. Definitely not in the back. No, no, no. It's always offside. Yes. So you put it over to the side, and it's just a great, I mean, again, it's function. It's function. It's function. It can hold the phone. It can hold any passports. That's what I said. It doesn't matter if you're going to a festival or a cruise. Yes. You know, whatever age group you are, you're going to be wearing this.
Absolutely.
So all I did with this one is just add a little details to it.
Oh, you DIY'd this one, did you? Look at a little bit of bling on there.
Just add a little bling onto it. So took an old one that I've had for a while, added a bit of bling, and then put together an extremely stylish travel outfit.
This is really good for the airport. This will take you anywhere. Let's go over to this one now, also DIY.
Of course.
We're sort of raising it up a notch here.
This is Tracy, this is what we in the fashion industry call the waist clutch. Okay. Because saying fanny pack over and over again gets a bit embarrassing. We're just, you know, we can't. So a waist clutch is like a clutch purse on the waist.
I love it.
So that's what you've definitely seen a lot of those on the runway. And this is so easy to DIY. Basically got a cute little purse, cut off the strap, and then you add a scarf through it.
I love this idea.
So by using a scarf, you're able to have the, you know, waist clutch lower, higher, and with all the dresses this season that are waistless, you know, those oversized, very comfortable to wear, by adding a little waist clutch, now you're able to bring in the waist and have a great little look. And again, function.
I like the fact that it's a clutch also, though, because it's flat.
Exactly.
So you don't have the puffiness that you might have in a traditional fanny pack. So this one, probably my favorite. Number one, the way she's wearing it. Number two, the fact that it's denim. This is amazing.
Great? So this would be the evolution on how to wear the new fanny pack. Over the shoulder. Yes. You sort of see it over the shoulder, over the back, and that's sort of the new step up. So if you've got your fanny pack, swing it over your shoulder. This one, of course, I DIY'd out of vintage Levi's.
So good.
Really fun, quite easy to make, and again, a little bit of a statement piece when you're wearing it, talking about it, so it's really great.
That is amazing. Okay. And I'm thinking also about all of the moms out there that have babies and they don't want their they need their hands free. You can be cool and rock something like this that you made yourself.
I mean, I think that's exactly why it's come back so much, is because it's too functional. The fanny pack got a bad rap. We needed to bring it back because we need it so badly.
Absolutely.
So quickly, I will show you just a few steps on if you do want to DIY a denim one. Now, you can work with any denim you want. I, of course, love Levi's because of the weight. If you get a vintage Levi's, you're going to have that great heavy weight to it. So we're going to use the pockets. The first step that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the waistband. You've got to get that waistband off. The only tricky part before you start cutting is you're going to want to sort of seam rip it a little bit to get it beyond the zipper.
Because it's a tough, I mean, as you mentioned, you want to use it because it's kind of a tougher denim, so you're going to need to...
I don't know if you can see that, but if you sort of peel it back a little bit, the teeth of the zipper stop. Now you can cut over it easily. So you peel that back a little bit, and then you just sort of start cutting. And it's not that hard to cut along the side of the...
You got your heavy-duty scissors.
Oh, of course, of course. And if you come across any, you know, metal part, you cut around it. Cut off that part.
Cut the little buckle.
Perfect. And so,
So then you get this.
The whole waistband off. And the other really good tip about this, the bigger the better.
Okay.
Go and find some really big pants because you need that good long
go the
waist.
The men's
exactly.
jeans,
go steal your husband's, take your dad's. They won't notice. That's all right.
They don't need them anyway.
They don't need them.
Whatever.
You'll be much more trending when you've got it on. So after you've got the waistband off, then you're just going to want to really split the legs apart. So then you just cut up the back seam here. So I don't know if you can see that seam there again.
Yeah.
You're just going to cut it up back that way. And then once that's done, you will have the 2 pairs of pants, right?
Oh, yeah.
2 legs. Now we just need to separate the pockets. So I'm very quick with this. I just some people pin and measure. No, no, no. Lie it down like that. Cut across right there so you've got the 2 pocket side.
Yeah.
Then you'll just attach them. Right?
Oh,
you need your sewer.
cute.
You know, it's not a difficult thing at all to do.
Yeah, so that's just a matter of attaching this to this.
Yes.
And what we do for you, because we know you love Julia's projects, we put them online.
Yes,
Cityline.tv, so you can have your cool, what are we calling it? Waist clutch.
There you go.
For 2018.
There
and
you
wear
go.
it this way. I like that
I know.
one.
Do you like that?
Good stuff,
Yes.
Julia.